Hello YouTube, this is John. In this video I'm going to quickly show you how to solve this problem, operating system not found. As you can see here, operating system not found or boot device not found. So what we're going to do, we're going to click Ctrl Alt Delete to restart. Then after, when the computer starts, you're going to click on F2. Let me first disconnect it again. When I power again, I'm going to click F2 to go to the BIOS system. As the computer starts, F2, then to take me to the BIOS system. So what you see here is very simple. You're going to go ahead and go to boot. You click the right arrow key. So in boot, we have our HDD having this symbol here. That means it is disabled, as you can see here. So you're going to hold Shift+1 to deactivate it. And now it has gone off. Then you click F10 to save changes. Then after the computer restarts, our computer is going to be able to see the hard drive which is on the computer. So thanks for watching. If this video is helpful, please subscribe to this channel. And in case you need any help, comment, click the bell icon. Have a nice time. Goodbye.